Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can get a multiple color backgrounds for your photo only with the Photoshop in mobile version. Open your Photoshop on mobile version and then tap into this photo editor to start a new editing, and then just tap into the photo that you want to edit right here. Now take a look on this button features, rub it into the left side, and then you got the combine, and then you just need to tap into this combine and then tap into this cut out, and the next we just need to confirm and just wait until the Photoshop is giving you this option, and then just go tap into the subject. And the next thing you need to do is add the custom, because some things that appear here, just go click brush, and then you just need to brush some things here to make sure that everything is being cut out. But I would like to make it simple. So the next thing, you just need to tap into this background and then tap into this gradient, and there can be a lot of options that you can choose, the combination between the several colors here. So you just need to tap one of them that match with your theme. So let's say let's do this blue or orange, and they could be like this purple. And right after that, you just need to download this picture, and then you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.